Aji. Laro. Atebe yomi be mue. Bien ko bonapio. Ubi senya ke balaka. Uba be dene. Don't worry, no mwepe. La obligé. So bon moto.
Adaku! Adaku! She knows so scared. Adaku! Adaku!
Nine. I'm here. Nine, what is it? Nine, talk to me. Nine, calm down.
Oh, Goda!
Nine, calm down. Hey! Talk to me.
Chinoso.
What did he do?
Chinoso went to sleep with that Osu. That stranger.
Aru.
Hey! Abomination! Hey!
Aru.
Oh, Goda!
Hey!
Chinoso. Mama.
Chinoso.
Do you know that you are going to be buried alive in the next Eke market beside with that stranger?
Not my son.
Papa, me. They can't get me.
My son, come.
Papa, they can't get me.
My son. Don't let them kill my son, please.
What have I done? The dial has already been passed. There's nothing I can do. Oh, Goda, why? Oh, Goda, why? Why? Chinoso, as you can see, all the elders go back. Go to the backyard. I will call you later. All right. Go to the backyard, Chinoso.
Okay, Papa. Elders, I greet you.
This is an abomination. And it cannot happen. Not while I am still alive.
Aru! Strangers! Yay!
Now, what do we do? Since it is our tradition in Uwadiae to destroy anything, I mean anything that will cause calamity in this land.
Yes, my brother, you've spoken correctly.
Thank you. Thank you.
But also should solve his problem. He should solve his problem. My elders, the tortoise once said that his problem is his problem. And his problem cannot crush him. That is why he carries his problem on his back. Let this man solve his problem.
Why are you talking like this?
What did I say? What have I said?
Nothing, my brother. You have only spoken your grandfather's wisdom. But the only thing
What? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? Your eyes cannot scare me. You can't eat me.
Stop that! Stop it!
Let us behave like elders, as we are. My elders, you are all welcome.
Oh.
I greet you and your family.
Thank you very much.
You see, our people says that a man that ignores his kinsmen stands alone in the rain.
Chinoso our son has danced too long.
Ezia, my brother. My brother, Ezia. Hey, my elders. The news has spread around the entire village. And our eyes cannot hold the flood. This nonsense has cost us. It is once said that when a boy dances badly in the presence of observers, his elders scratch their eyes in shame.
True talk.
Hey!
True talk.
My elders, abomination. We know Chino, so why are we dragging this issue, my elders? Why are we dragging this issue? We know Chino, so from onset, we know that that boy is headstrong.
Bam! My fellow elders, we have a problem on ground that needs to be solved urgently. Like you earlier said, Akumba, Okunsu cannot speak. How can a man talk when his son is causing him so much problem? We know that there are some illnesses that medicine can cure.
Exactly.
There are also others that only sacrifices to our gods can solve. Chinoso's problem has gone beyond solution. We have to tackle it as it is. Okusu, you have to say something. Speak so that we know how to go about it.
Leave him alone, no. Abba! Leave him alone. He knows the right thing. He cannot speak. He knows the right thing. Chinoso, your son, will dance to the music.
Akumba.
What? What?
Akumba.
I said what?
My elder, once again, I welcome you all. It was I, Okonso, who invited you here today. I did not wake up this morning, slap my buttocks and said you come and eat in my house. No. I invited all of you here to come to my house, to come and see what my eyes are seeing, and to hear what my ears are hearing. If not for to keep record purposes. If not that the villagers will be scratching their eyes as a result of what has been happening to my family. I wouldn't have called any of you. Yes, I wouldn't have called any of you.
Okusu, why do you speak in parables?
Adequate. You remember so many years ago when Chinoso was just 7. The chief priest of Aguda said we should sacrifice a 7-year-old ram for Chinoso to be initiated into manhood. Adequate, I came to you. I came to you, Adequate, to beg you for loan, but you turned me back. You told me you were in a planting season. I swallowed my pride. I went home. That's the reason Chinoso, my son, was not initiated into manhood. It was Akumba here. You, Akumba, that led the villagers to come and mock me and my family. You, Akumba, that would die by fire.
That's enough. My elders.
Akumba, it's enough.
My elders.
Akumba,
Do you hear him?
Enough.
Do you hear him?
Nodiam.
If you don't hold that your tongue,
Akumba,
I will pull it out.
Osugo, Nodiam, Biko.
Stupid man like you.
Let us behave like elders.
Biko,
Nodiam, my people. We all know that there are so many people whose mouth are rough inside, but their teeth are white outside. Akumba here is one.
Me again.
Akumba. Evil will strike
More.
your family.
Okusu more.
Thunder will strike.
Okusu more.
Yes, you
more.
it's okay.
Akumba.
Hey!
Haru here.
Take it easy.
Haru, get back!
Nodiam, Biko.
Get back!
Nodiam.
Okusu.
It's okay, please sit down. It's okay.
My elders.
Akumba.
My elders.
Nodiam.
The truth must be said. Okusu,
Please sit down.
don't deviate from the matter. No matter how you or what you say, she not show your son. Who dance to the music?
Akumba. Evil before you or your family. Aguda thunder will strike you.
Now, Okunsu, what are your plans? What are your plans for a way forward?
My elders, I did not call you people here to insult you. If I have done that, I'm truly sorry. But my people say, a dog does not watch a cat run about in daytime without doing something. I did not invite you here, my elders, to come and scratch your eyes on the woes that have befallen me and my family. My elders, the calabash has broken, and we all have already seen what's inside. My elders, I beg you, let it be.
Akusu,
Where are you going to? Leave him alone, my elders.
Akusu,
Elders, leave him alone.
did you see that?
My elders, I greet you.
Did you see that?
He knows the right thing to be done. She knows so. Must be buried by the next AK market day.
Bam.
My elders, I am leaving.
Yes. Adigwe, that is the only solution. We'll see next time.
What is this? Oh.
Papa, here is your food.
Adam,
Yes, Papa.
thank you.
Yes, Papa.
May the gods bless you.
Yes.
Go back.
Oh.
Nine.
Uwadiae, thank you.
Nine.
Uwadiae, what is it?
Nine.
What is it?
I have something to tell you.
You see, I'm eating. Can't it wait? Okay. Say what you have to say.
Nine. Can't our tradition be changed?
Tradition. Change. Which? How do you mean, Uwadiae?
You should not have allowed the killing of that innocent baby.
Yeah! Haro. Uwadiae. Uwadiae.
Nine. I know it's our tradition not to go close to strangers. But still, the baby is innocent. The baby has done us no harm. Nine, please. Nine.
Hey, shut up! Uwadiae. Uwadiae. Why is it now that the tradition will be changed? When it was the time of Ngocha, they did not change the tradition. When it was the time of Umiri, we even called him a woman. Why now? Uwadiae. Why now? Uwadiae, be careful.
Nine. Nine, Miko. Nine, please, don't take part in this decision. Nine. Remember you have children.
Shut up, my friend, before I pull out that your tongue and give it to our gods. Uwadiae. Uwadiae. For tonight, what do you want? Go to your hut. Mama, if you were not the one that shakes my heart, you would have joined that child. Ewu. Nonso. Nonso. What are you doing in my house? I'm asking you, what are you doing in my house?
Mazi, please, spare the life of that child.
Which child? That abomination. Even you are an abomination. Chinoso, leave my house. I said leave my house.
Please, Bikoni.
Chinoso.
Please. Mazi, you are wicked.
More.
You are very wicked.
More. You. More.
I swear. Your wickedness will kill you in this village.
No, sir. You're talking to me.
Yes.
Do you know who I am?
I know Mazi. In short, Akumba. Akumba.
No, sir. So it has gotten to the stage. You now call my name. No, so more. No, so do you know who I am?
If not that you are as old as my father, I would have said that you are stupid.
You've already insulted me. And you say if.
But I don't like insulting my elders.
No, so yeah. Do you really know who I
You are here talking. Look at you. If not that those elders were in our house that would have beaten you.
More. Just.
So,
the father would have beaten you.
Yes.
You want to beat him? Wait for me.
you can't do anything.
Where is the baby?
Everyone wakere, why mo?
I said, where is the baby?
Where's my Tom? Everyone wakere. What man also wa me? Huh?
He wants to know.
Oh, yeah, na ma po me.
EJ, he can't come when I play when I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Ovi me. Abwa ovi me o. Ah.
Eh, me ni na be la po.
Ma kan you na.
Ije ni me bu ya ni ya se do ma di an o. Di mi ave ho ri.
Aja, let's go.
Oh, don't tell me. Where is the baby?
What to me, mama?
The baby. I need the baby. The newborn baby.
Mere bunu was.
I said I need the baby.
Baby. He tell bon. He wa we so ya mama po me. He ya wo we ya pa lo.
Ovi me. Ovi me.
Eh, me ni me na be la ko na. He ya ene su mu. Eh, bunu wa kere wa ya.
I said I need the baby.
Wa ko me na.
That is the baby. Get the baby. Hold it. Open up.
Why you wa?
Get the baby.
I believe them. I know they will carry it out.
Mazi,
Yeah?
I have a message from Agwo.
What's the message? The mission has been accomplished. How do you mean? The baby has been buried alive. Who God have be praised? He say, my son, may God bless you. He say, may He give you long life. He say, may you have your own children. He say, yes, I must see to it. It will not be in my time, and the tradition will be changed.
Take it easy now.
Are you still on this hair?
Yes. Careful now.
There, Berry.
What?
There is something.
What? This one you are smiling. I hope you are not.
Is it hunger that make people smile?
Yes, for you. There, baby. I know why she's smiling.
Why?
It's obvious. No one is touching her in this village.
Hey! Me touching. Hey, Berry. Trust me. No boy in this village is worth my smile.
I trust my sister.
Back to my discussion before she distracted me. Hey, Berry. It's not that I'm an enemy of progress. It's just that you're getting married and I'm going to miss you.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're going to miss me?
I'm missing you already.
You're about people. Baby, if there's anyone that's going to miss anyone here, it's me. Even you. Okay, it's okay. As for me, I will not miss the both of you. I said I will not miss it. Serious, very serious.
If you don't miss the both of us, who will you miss? We are your only sisters now.
I know.
You know that since Mama died, you became a mother to us.
And Papa is there also. Papa is a man. We are women. And Papa cannot relate to us the way.
Okay, can I tell Papa?
Okay, don't worry. I will miss the both of you. If I don't miss you, will I miss? Okay, and I promise I will always come to visit.
You will never leave us like that.
Okay, come to think of it. I will be the only one to go to the stream where you make the food. You're already complaining.
Don't mind that very lazy girl.
No, this one is not all about laziness, yo. Don't you know that Omasha is always at the stream? You are scared of Omasha? Yes, I'm scared of her. She scares me.
If you don't look for her trouble, she will not come close to you.
Omasha is a very friendly person. I know.
If you don't look for her trouble, she won't come close to you now.
Come to think of it, Omalicha is the most beautiful girl in this village.
Who doesn't know that she's the most beautiful girl in this village? Despite her condition, her beauty still reflects like the sun. Can you beat that?
Oh, Omalicha. Yeah. Whosoever that make her to be in this condition will be visited by the curse of our land.
He said,
oh, Omalicha.
But you know she used to have this voice. This very sweet voice. And there was a time she used to sing.
That song like that.
That song that made us name her Omalicha.
I can't remember. Now I'm getting old.
Look at you. You never stop joking.
You remind us. I can't remember. Don't you remember? Don't you remind us?
Lekwele Omalicha nwa, Omalicha adadimma, Omalicha oyoyo nwa, Omalicha kwele bidia, Omalicha nwadimma, Omalicha omiyoma, Omalicha.
It's okay.
Omalicha is not
usually by the. Let's continue. I am tired. It's okay. Let's continue. Most of you should continue. I'm going to say I'll follow you. You know what? Continue with Omalicha song. I'm going to say.
I'll continue. I'll wait for Papa. I'll wait for Papa. Keep waiting. I'll join you soon.
Hey!
always in this village. I'm getting scared. Ebere, is that you?
Iyenhor!
Ebere, is that you? Okay. What are you doing? Okay. So, don't worry.
Where are the strangers? Speak!
They went that way.
Are you sure? If I don't find them, I will cut off your head!
Okay, Chi.
What did you do?
Okay, where are you?
Move. Pack your things and leave this land.
This house. Leave. You want to put me in trouble? Hey! Let us stay here for a while. This guy will not kill. Don't you know if you are God? We will sacrifice our gods. Don't get caught. I promise to show them the way out of this night. You better do.
What are you singing? Get all your things and leave.
Just this night. It's okay now. The neighbor is okay. We are leaving. Did you hear me?
Pamudia. Orenyatsa. Okadudu. Akpama. Oriole. La. Get wig in your table. Iyenhor. Iwadiae wegbe. Rudai makawae. Sokpa. Idakawae. Wegbe. Imanakawae.
Eyimela odosume.
Owu oke kiro wa we. Efe wa ya me wa fa. Emi ave ya kuwa bota. Emi no ma ya fe. Ki kuwa iro. Come away. Kadale. Ki pama. Edede. Emi no ma ya fe. Ya ma le nuwa. Me ti kule no we. Benita.
Akpama, Oriole, Dosumeyo, Yagime, Nidiru.
Adaundo.
Oh.
I'm tired.
I will beat your book. What is wrong with both of you? Let's get back to work and go home quickly.
Who is saying she's tired?
Why are you not work?
Let me tell you, if you don't work, you will not eat at home.
Dada, all your things. Let's go. Let's go.
People should wait for me to collect my yam. What?
Ngozi, let Ikiru go and get it for you.
No, because your daddy said I should go and you want to go and collect
Ngozi,
Biko,
let me go and get it for you.
Ngozi. No. Let your sister go and get it for you.
No, I want to go, please. No, please.
Okay, it's okay. Be fast, eh?
Okay, no
be fast. You saw what happened.
Why did you allow her to go after this strange thing occurred?
Leave her. Just gather the things, let's go.
Leave her?
Gather your things, let's go.
She'll come soon.
Let's go.
Ngozi is not yet back.
That's true. Let's go and search for her.
Ngozi, I told you, but you wouldn't listen.
It's okay now, let's go and search for her. Ngozi! Hi!
Ngozi! Chiba! Ngozi! Ngozi! Chiba!
Ogini. No. What is it?
Chidima.
Have you heard? Heard what?
Heard what? Chidima, what is it?
Ogini now. That the little baby that was buried alive is killing people in this village. I know, yeah. I heard it. It's true. But why do they have to bury the innocent baby alive?
No.
Why?
That is wickedness. Uwadiae has committed sacrilege.
Yes.
So they will not be spared. At all.
I heard it was Akumba who brought the idea. Akumba, the one you know. Akumba. Wonderful.
I said it! Nemesis will befall that household, including that his daughter, Oluchi. That's natural. I said it! Nemesis will befall that household. See, she refused to leave. God see for me.
Ezine, which Gozi are you talking about? There's Renye's son.
Ne, Biakangwagi Lanya. Oluchi has already overthrown you.
Tell her.
The earlier I realize it, the better it will be for you.
My advice for you right now is for you to look for someone else.
Manoya Weruti. Let's go.
Isn't it? Oh, isn't it? Tanya.
What? What is she doing there?
Isn't it great?
Tell her to leave.
I can make her leave.
They go.
Yeah.
So you can make her leave.
Isn't it be patient? I can
It's okay. Need it to work.
You see my business?
It's okay. Amarita, Colin, please. The problem I'm having with you is because you are impatient, and I will continue to have blood. How will you be patient?
That is why I'm called Ezinne, you know.
I don't have. Let's have our bath and go home. Have your bath. Have your bath. I can't go to the first.
Mazi.
Everything I've done for you. Chinoso, you will not kill me. Chinoso, you will not kill me.
Ugoda.
No weirds. There's a mukba.
Iyenhor. Les amis parler ni.
Oh yeah, a double. Ira mebu. Yo. Ira wune. Wune pe. Ina ira ni. I won't be an one more. Oh. It'll be mebu. Sino so meti no na. Ya belu. I want some away. Only see. Only see. Yeah. Only see. Yeah, viens donc pas. What? Il quoi les vous y rien. Moi non. Alors mes bébés à mes bébés. Echo. Abona TV.
Elle est à mon Dieu.
Il a wa bona. Bien.
Il y a ma wa peli with television ya fe ma wa be with television. Only ye ma we e mata no. I ma ga television na ma we tin about. Oh father. E wona gbo mi ko gbe. E wona gbo mi ko gbe. E mata. Ichi. Oh. Wala wa hwe. Papa gbadu wa hwe. E vien ya hwe.
Esse.
E dokpa pa igba me samone wa na ye gbede. Ya hallelujah. Ni nyade ni ne bubani. Ni ya gele ga oni ma to se ni anyi.
Vai ser. Tá bom,
Why go for my feet? Zero body, I am money, and it be a yamuwa. Wow.
Move. Pack your things and leave this land. What are you singing? Get all your things and leave.
Ma, Niboku, Nokia, Wakiahia.
Do not leave anything behind. Not even a thing. Move. I said move.
Baba. Okodudu. Ugbolila. Oh my God.
Ade woman yoko, what's here? Woman yoko,
A chief carry one they no pay. On a more Canada for shopping. Here you was even no one the label. Like what
It's street in Nigeria, I've been in the next street.
lawyer. Okay, son.
Yes. Senior advocate of Nigeria.
If we don't barakuna, make your go. My food walk back. Or they want another. Oh, my baby, Matana.
Make her name of her. If you know so, I will come any time I must.
Anything really are one of our I will be not to tell her. There will be one. Everything goes.
It won't go where.
If I feel good, you could tell me. Make any room to wait. We no market can you.
Oh, cause why I am not aware.
Solomon, if one more watching go, we're going to buy a movie now.
The business is what you do. Why the business is my own? Hi. Okay, get there. The business is all to flop.
Oh, God. They don't got you. This is nonsense. This is wickedness. What will we do? They make us say,
we will make us
I said, call you go where you better know you know you might buy. Hey, where you Miami, your mom? You know that condition where you come when you are. Come in the where you tell it our. Every problem you're not swimming away. Since the cause of the problem in the house.
And next year,
on time, I'm a quick bet. Also, no, you said to the you can't take it. You not come anywhere of a business you will go to. In a business in a we have what?
Chief Solomon swag no top. You wear an order of shake. What you we're there in a corner when I'm near to my end. See when you do come away. Or in a room with corner. What do you do?